Hi everybody, Dr. Lonna Denny, Bulletproof Babes, Self-Defense based on Behavioral Sciences. Welcome to our digital segment. So it is February 16th, 2026, and there's a new zero flaw attack that is coming out on Apple devices. And I'm gonna show you how to fix your iPhone so it doesn't hit your iPhone. This particular, I don't know why they're calling it a flaw instead of malware, but they are. And what it does is it basically takes over your device and it does things like write code in the background so it can take all your information. So let's take a look at how to fix this on an iPhone. Okay, so here we are just on an iPhone 13 and I'm gonna hit settings. Okay, then I'm gonna go down to general and I'm gonna hit software update. Updates on. It is not doing this quick enough. So we're gonna update this right now. This is updating because Apple just put this fix through. Like I said, if you have an iPad or you have a MacBook, it's the same steps. Just read through this really quick and you can update it in real time and you'll stay ahead of these bugs. Hope that helps and I'll see you soon.